This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes.
We are going to learn these 3 things in my live webinar which will help you to speak in this language, English, fearlessly and fluently, with a comfortable smile on your face, just like your mother tongue. Number 1. If I can speak in English, anyone on the planet Earth can speak. I don't remember learning this language in my school. I failed in 9th standard, by the way, in English and maths. I started learning this language in my late 30s, but that has played a vital role in my professional growth. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the language which we use in our country to express at workplace. Because of this comfort with this language, I could able to reach TEDx stage 9 times, IT, IIM, ISB several times. Because of this language only, whenever I stand as an entrepreneur in front of my team members, I become comfortable to express. How can you grow in your life if you are not able to express? So first thing which you have to learn that if I can speak, anyone on the planet Earth can speak in English fearlessly and fluently. Number 2, the way we look toward this language plays a very important role. I'm going to share with you 5 critical mindsets. If you develop those mindsets toward this language, I must tell you that will make you super comfortable. So we'll go deep step by step in these 5 mindsets. And number 3, what should be your strategy after my live webinar? How you can take the journey further. And if you really want to speak in English fearlessly and fluently, which you have to if you really want to grow in your life, especially in our country, then I must tell you, adopt this strategy. That will make you fearless and fluent, and you will use this language the way you are using your mother tongue. You will speak with a comfortable smile on your face. Let's meet live. This is Praveen signing out. Until we meet again.